Good morning students, myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you for the online classes. Student, we started at chapter number 3. Okay, now in this chapter I explain you about the sense organ. The name also of this chapter is are sense organs. Clear? Now I explain you about the sense and organs. This thing I cleared you na. Sense means feeling. You feel something. Okay, those are the out of your world. Clear? Now the organ, those parts of your body help to feel the things. That is the organs. Now sense organ related to, I give you simple example, and in the last chapter I also give you this example, but we should revise it. Okay, what I explained you in the last lecture, I explained you about the sense and organs. Okay, now our sense means feel. You have to feel the thing, those are present in the your surrounding, आपके आसपास जो चीज़ें हैं. Okay, for that in our body some special parts present. Okay, not all the parts of your body help you to sense the surrounding. Only few parts of your body that help you to sense the things. Okay, clear? Now I give you simple example in the last lecture that is related to house. Okay, in your house there are so many parts and so many rooms in your body. In your house. Okay, in the same way in our body there are so many parts available is there. They are functioning according to their work. Okay, lungs help you to breathe, heart help you to blood circulation. Okay, mouth, with the help of your mouth you have to speak. Okay, now hand hold the things, legs help you to walk. Okay, these are the work of your parts of your body. Okay, now in the same way in our body some parts available in your house. I give you example. In your house, if you want to see the out of your house, okay, outside of your house, which thing help you to do that work? If somebody come in your house, suppose you close the door. Okay, you are in your bedroom, your mummy also work in the kitchen. That time what you do? Suppose if any window available in your house, okay, what you do? Through that window you have to know the which person come to your house. First you identify them na. So what you do? You don't open the door quickly. First you know about that person na, so you should look out of the window, through the window, and know the which body come in your house. Okay, in the same way if you want to know about the what happen in your surrounding, बाहर क्या हो रहा है, आपकी बॉडी के बाहर क्या चल रहा है, you want to know that thing. What you do? The parts, the organs, those are present in your body that help you to see the world. Okay, clear? What happen in our surrounding? Clear? Now sense organs. Sense organ I also explained you through the experiment. Okay, the name first I explain you name of the parts, those are help you to sense the world. Means sense organ, name of the sense organ. How many sense organ in our body? There are 5 sense organ in our body. That is eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Okay, these are the sense organs: eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. How many sense organ in our body? There are 5 sense organ in our body, and I explain you about their function. Okay, eyes help us to see and sight. Okay, help you to see. This eyes, what is the function of eye? Eye help us to see whatever present in our surrounding, are in front of us, are backside of you, your, or what which thing are available for you in your room. How you rectify that? How you know about that? Through your eyes. Okay, clear. First you will see that thing, whatever present in front you. Your eyes functioning first. Okay. Now nose. Nose help you to smell. Smelling. For the smelling. What is the use of your nose? You use your nose for the smelling. Okay. I also give you example of the flower. For the see, what is the color of the flower? Now, if you smell the flower, you know the name of the flower, na? First you see. If you know the name, you automatically see told the name. This is rose. This is jasmine. This is lotus. Okay. Now after that, if I close your eyes and give you flower, what you do? You smell that, na? First you smelling that. आप उसको सूंघोगे पहले. And after that you have to give the name. This is the lotus. This is rose flower. This is jasmine. Okay. Clear? So these are the function of your nose. Now ear. Ears. Okay. Now what is the work of your ears? Are you listen my voice? No. But why you not listen my voice? Because I don't tell you anything before few minutes. मैंने आपसे कुछ भी नहीं कहा है कुछ मिनट पहले. ओके. नाउ आफ्टर डेट आई आस्क यू, मैंने आपसे पूछा, दैट टाइम यू लिसन माई वॉइस ना. दिस इज द वर्क ऑफ योर ईयर्स. मीन्स योर ईयर्स help you to listen the voice. Okay. And also balance your body. Clear? Now the tongue. Tongue help us to taste. Tongue help us to taste. Okay. Means whatever you eat in your daily routine, that thing first you see through your eyes. आप अपनी आंखों से देखोगे what your mummy prepare for you. क्या बनाया है आपकी मम्मी ने आपके लिए ब्रेकफास्ट में, लंच में. ओके. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू स्मेल दैट. ओके. व्हेन योर मम्मी कुकिंग फूड फॉर यू, दैट टाइम यू आल्सो स्मेल दैट. अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है ना. आफ्टर दैट टेस्ट. लास्ट वर्क इज फॉर यू. मम्मी गिव यू फूड फॉर द टेस्ट ना. खा के देखो कैसा लग रहा है. ओके. तो दैट टाइम योर टंग हेल्प यू टू टेस्ट. ओके. नाउ स्किन हेल्प यू टू नो द सराउंडिंग. मीन्स विच टाइप्स ऑफ वेदर टुडे. ओके. इफ द एयर इज कूल मीन्स द वेदर इज कोल्ड. नाउ इफ द एयर इज वार्म, हवा गर्म है, मीन्स दैट इज द वार्म कंडीशन. ओके. नाउ हाउ यू नो? व्हेन द एयर टच योर बॉडी. ओके. नाउ योर होल बॉडी कवर विथ योर स्किन. पूरा शरीर हमारा स्किन से ढका है ना. तो व्हेन द एयर टच योर बॉडी और योर स्किन, you know the atmosphere, which types of atmosphere today. Okay. This is the work of your texture. Okay. Skin also help you to know the texture of the things. Now suppose I show you this mobile. Okay. This is my mobile. You have also your mobile. Now at present you are learning from your mobile. Now touch the screen. What you feel? The screen is very rough or smooth. Touch your mobile like this way. The screen is very smooth or hard or rough. The screen is very smooth. Okay. Means how you know the screen is very smooth? Because you touch the screen. थ्रू योर फिंगर्स. नाउ योर फिंगर्स ऑल्सो कवर विथ स्किन मीन्स ऐसे टच करके देखो. ओके. नाउ थ्रू योर स्किन यू हैव टू नो द सरफेस ऑफ द थिंग्स. रफ or smooth. This board is also smooth. Okay. Now I show you this handkerchief. See, this is, now I touch this na, this handkerchief is very rough. Okay. How I know that thing? Through my skin. Okay. I rub this handkerchief like this way. Okay. So I know the texture of this handkerchief. Okay, clear? So these are the work of your sense organ. Now after that I explain you the structure of your eyes. Okay, structure of your eyes I also explain you. Structure of your eyes is, how many parts in your eyes? There are 4 parts in our eyes. Okay, I showed you that picture. Okay. Now first part is, that is the visible, this part आपके ऊपर, इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं पलकें, बोलते हैं ना. That is the eyelid and eyelashes. Okay, what is the function of eyelids and eyelashes? क्या काम है? It protect our body eyes from the dust and dirt. Okay, suppose when the air is running very fast, जब बहुत ज़्यादा हवा चलती है, तो that time you close your eyes. Why? Like this you close your eyes, or you suddenly shut your eyelashes? Like this way we close our eyes na. Okay. Why you close your eyes? Because the dirt and dust don't enter in your eyes. Okay. So this is the work of your eyelashes and eyelids. It protect your eyes from the dust and dirt. Okay. Now eyelashes. Now next part is iris. Iris. Iris is a colorful part. Colored part. Okay. This is the colorful part of your eyes. Now see your eyes. Stand in front of the mirror and see your eyes. Okay. What is the color of your eyes? Some have black, some have brown. Okay. These iris are different in the colors. Okay. And this thing happened to one generation to another generation. Why? Because this is the genetic. अगर आपके दादाजी की आंखें ब्राउन है तो आपकी फैमिली में भी बहुत से लोगों की आइज़ ब्राउन भी होगी. अगर आपके मम्मी पापा की आइज़ ब्राउन है तो आपकी आइज़ भी ब्राउन होगी. अगर आपकी मम्मी की ब्राउन है, पापा की ब्लैक है, हो सकता है आपकी ब्राउन हो, आपके ब्रदर या सिस्टर की ब्लैक. ओके. तो दिस इज द जेनेटिक. नाउ आइरिस फाउंड इन द डिफरेंट कलर्स एंड दिस इज द जेनेटिक. एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन में भी सेम कलर चलता है. ओके. आफ्टर दैट नाउ दिस इज cornea. Cornea is a transparent part. This part is transparent. Okay. Now this is the transparent part and it shows you the image of the things. Okay. ये दोनों तरफ से ट्रांसपेरेंट होता है. आई गिव यू सिंपल एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ग्लास, जो कांच से बना हुआ ग्लास होता है. ओके. इफ यू फिल वाटर इन दैट ग्लास, यू हैव टू सी अदर साइड ऑफ ऑल्सो दैट ग्लास. ओके. नाउ आई गिव यू एन मेटल ग्लास, मीन्स स्टील का ग्लास अगर देंगे आपको तो आप उसके दोनों तरफ नहीं देख सकते हो. अगर ग्लास आपका कांच का ग्लास है तो आप उसके दोनों तरफ देख सकते हो. ओके. So same way cornea functioning in our eyes. Okay. Clear? It shows you image of the things. Clear? And next part is pupil. Pupil is this black spot जो बीच में पार्ट होता है. That is the middle part of your eyes and black in the color. I explained you that thing. Okay, that is the black spot, that is pupil. Okay, now if we cut our eyes like this way, okay, so we have to see other thing also, and I explain you in the last lecture both pictures. Okay, the two things also there, that is the our brain connect with our eyes with which nerve? Optic nerve. Okay, optic nerve connect with brain. Okay, through the optic nerve our eyes connect with brain. These nerves help to make a balance between the brain and our eyes. Okay, and nerves, I also explain you what is the meaning of the nerves. Nerves are thread like structures. You also see in your eyes. Okay, if you stand in front of the mirror and see carefully, so some red thread in your eyes, that is the nerves. That nerves connect with the brain. Okay, and name of that nerve is optic nerves. Okay, and nerves means thread like structure, those are present in your body. Okay, it connect with the brains. Clear? Now the nerves, those are present in your eyes, that is optic nerves. Okay, clear? Now, and one thing also present in our eyes, that is the retina. रेटिना एक पर्दा होता है. ओके, आप जब पिक्चर देखने जाते हो, व्हेन यू गो टू थिएटर, इफ यू वांट टू सी द मूवी, ओके, आप जब जाते हो तो एक कैसी चलती है मूवी, एक पर्दा होता है, उसी पे चलती है ना. सेम वे हमारी आईज में भी एक पर्दा होता है. ओके, द नेम ऑफ दैट कर्टन इज रेटिना. ओके, इट प्रेजेंट इनसाइड योर आईज, ये आंखों के अंदर होता है. ओके, आफ्टर दैट थिंग कॉर्निया के बाद में रेटिना होता है. ओके, क्लियर? कॉर्निया एब्जॉर्ब द लाइट को अपनी आंखों के अंदर भेजता है. क्लियर? एंड रेटिना सेंड यू द इमेज. क्लियर? नाउ आफ्टर दैट हाउ वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ आवर आईज, आई ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन यू. Don't rub your eyes, okay, with dirty hands, or wash properly with water your eyes. Now don't read in the dim light, means कम लाइट में नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए. If you want to read anything, तो don't sleep that time. You have to stand and make a proper position. Okay, like this way, hold the book in your hand like this and read, or don't sleep and read them, because it's not good for your eyes. Clear? Don't watch your television or computer for a long hours, means बहुत ज़्यादा समय तक टीवी और मोबाइल नहीं देखना चाहिए. Okay, and also